Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add end screens to your YouTube videos. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head to your YouTube. From there, you want to click on your profile in the top right corner, and then you want to select your YouTube studio. From here, you can then go to all your videos once it finally loads. Then you want to select any video you want to add the end screen to. I'll go and choose one of my very first ones, and I'll click on the little pencil for details. Once I've done that, I'll then see my description, my title, and everything else, but underneath my thumbnail on the right side, I can then scroll down, and I'll see visibility, restrictions, and also an end screen right here. If I select the little pencil once again, I can go ahead and change the end screen or add a new one. So if I want to, I could discard the changes and make a new end screen. I can also add an element in the top left. However, I already have an end screen for this certain video. But other than that, that's how you would add an end screen to your YouTube videos. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.